Good morning, students. Welcome to Mercy Sevas Raminta College online classes. The previous day we saw the first part of the lesson and some stories of different people, how they were faced with this tsunami and how some of them were survived. Now we will see the second part of the lesson. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. So, Tilly Smith is a schoolgirl like you all. Okay, she also is a student and she saved the lives of many people who were hit by tsunami. Okay, where in Phuket beach in Thailand. Though she was won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Now, because she saved the lives of many people, the media people came to interview her. Okay? But her parents did not allow. They did not want their daughter to be a heroine, that okay, she has done something very great, saving the life of many people, and then she can become a hero. When the newspapers people came for interviewing her, the parents did not allow her. We will long now to get a chance to come in the newspaper or in the TV and we'll be very happy. But her parents did not allow. Why do you think they took that decision? Now, why her parents took that decision that they don't want her daughter to be interviewed? What could be the reason? Now, here is a story from Thailand. Now, we are going to listen to a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. So, these people have come from where? From southern part of England to Thailand. For what they came? To celebrate Christmas on the seashore. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Now, how old was Tilly Smith? She was 10 years old. Her sister was 7 years old. So, she had a younger sister who was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. So, their parents' names are Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004 that we saw in the previous class. Okay, the tsunami hit on 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. So, tsunami waves were already on the way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. Now why? What is the tsunami? Because under the sea, when the earth quakes, when shakes, the water comes up, and that is tsunami. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. The water was rising and it was coming in. Penny Smith remembered something. She remembered. Now we will see what is it. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. The beach was getting smaller and smaller means water was coming to the beach. I didn't know what was happening. The fellow did not understand ye kya hai. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Tilly Smith felt that something is wrong. Okay. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Now, Tilly Smith is very intelligent girl. Okay. She remembered that she had learned a lesson in geography before 2 weeks. She could come out from the England to Thailand. She remembered that lesson she learned in geography. That's what we say, that let's listen carefully the lessons and try to understand and remember. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to form bubble and form whirlpools. Now, what did Tilly see? She saw the sea slowly rising. The समुद्र धीरे धीरे ऊपर आने शुरू किया. And start to foam. Foam means, see, when you put little soap powder in the water and shake it with a hand, no, you see the bubbles, okay, air balls, okay, that is called foam, bubble, and foam whirlpools. Whirlpool means water current, okay, because of the waves and things, and it moves in circle. That is called whirlpool. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. Okay, so what she remembered? She remembered a lesson that she had in geography, and her teacher had shown that in a TV. Okay, with a slide, no, she had seen that in the TV, that the tsunami had hit in 1946. This is 2004, but what she had listened in her lesson is 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video. So now the teacher had shown the video in the geography lesson. So she remembered that, okay, what is this? And told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. So she recalled, okay, that her teacher was telling that tsunami occurs due to earthquakes. First reason is earthquakes, second reason is volcanoes, and third reason is landslides. Due to these things, the tsunami can happen. So she understood that it can be this tsunami. This much we will see in this class, and the rest of this part we will see in the next class. Okay, so learn the lesson, read the lesson at least 2-3 times, and then learn the difficult words and the meaning. Okay, thank you, students.